Hey guys, I'm not a real big fan of having my silver coins be all tarnished and everything. I know a lot of folks are going to say don't do it, don't do it, but I'm going to go ahead and clean this quarter because I don't like the way it looks. So I've got some, I just boiled some hot water, and I've got a little bowl here with aluminum foil in the bottom of it, and I'm going to put some baking soda in the bottom here. And then I'm going to throw this sucker in here. And let me go get the boiling water. And I'm going to throw some more baking soda on top of it. And I don't think this should take too long. Man, it's putting out a... It's the first time I've ever done this. I wasn't expecting there to be a smell, but it's putting out a bit of a smell. I'm not sure what that's from. I guess that's from the baking soda reacting with all the tarnish on the coin. Alright guys, my wife, who is infinitely smarter than I am, said, hey Bozo, you're gonna have to... First, she probably is telling me, Bozo, don't put your hands in that hot water, but she's also said, Bozo, you're gonna have to like rub on this coin a little bit to clean it up. You can't just put it in the baking soda and expect it to just get clean. So let's take it back out of here. And you can see it really didn't do much. I was trying to clean all this junk off of it, but it really didn't come off. But she said, just rub it a little bit. So I've got, I mean, there's still some paste on here, so I'm just gonna rub it a little bit. And she's definitely smarter than I am because all this stuff's coming right off. Nice. You guys out there that are big coin collectors are probably screaming that I'm rubbing baking soda on this 1963 coin because I'm probably ruining the value of it by cleaning it. But again, I'm only interested in the silver value. Wow, that looks awesome. It looks almost brand new. You guys saw what that coin looked like at the beginning. I mean, it looked terrible. Now it looks like a brand new quarter. That's awesome. All right, guys. Well, thanks for looking.